Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, how to make a deep fried potato skin, but loaded. It's going to be a loaded deep fried potato skin. Alright, so you're going to need about 4 of these. This is like a cup of bacon. This is some chicken right here. All I did with this chicken, I took some sauce, which is this sauce right here, some Taco Bell sauce, and a 1/4 cup of chicken broth and some seasoning, and warmed that up for about 15, not even 15 minutes, probably about 5-10 minutes. Okay, that's all I did with this. And this is like leftover meat from rotisserie chicken. Alright, so you're going to need some mild cheddar cheese right here. This is some mozzarella right here. You're going to need some of that. You're going to need some sour cream. This is some cilantro and some green onions. Alright, that's what we're going to be using. Alright guys, first thing first, we're going to put these in the microwave and wash them off a little bit more because they already been they've been washed out, but they dried up. So I'm going to wash these off. I'm going to cook these and I'll tell you how long they took in the microwave. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I am back. It took me like 13 minutes to cook this in the microwave. You want them real soft. So this is what we're going to do. We're just going to cut these. Try to cut as gentle as possible, just like so. I'll do one real quick for you guys. And all you're going to do is take a spoon. This is like a regular tablespoon. It's going to come in like this on each side. Then we're going to scoop just like so. That's all you're doing. See that? Alright. Alright. So we go ahead and finish these up. Then with these potato skins, we're going to take some of my homemade taco seasoning and we're just going to sprinkle some of that in there. Just like that. You can put as much as you want. It's not salty at all. This is just going to allow the potato skin to get that much more flavor. Alright, we're going to just press down on it a little bit. You can use the back of that spoon if you want, because you don't want that seasoning coming off. Alright, and we're going to deep fry these guys for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, and when we do that, I'm going to show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Took 3 to 4 minutes to cook these. So how those look. Okay, let's go ahead and put these stuff together. We're going to come in here with some of this mozzarella. Like that. Loaded potato skins. That's right. Alright. We're going to come in here with this chicken. Like a teaspoon or a tablespoon of that. Put that right here on top of there. Like so. Comment down below if you guys already made some of these before with the chicken and all that stuff. I'll be trying to do different like meals. You know, I don't like to copycat off of people. I just try to do my own little thing. So I just put stuff together. Always best to be different from everybody else. Alright. Then we're going to come in here with some of this cheddar. Just like that. We're just going to pile it on there, guys. Looks like I'm running out of cheddar, so I'm going to have to get some more out the refrigerator. I'll be back in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Let's go ahead and put some of these green onions on here. Throw a little bit on there. As much as you want. But make sure you reserve some for the end. Alright guys, now this is what we're going to do. We're going to take us some bacon, bacon bits or bacon crumbs. You're just going to sit some on top just like so. I'm telling you, they loaded. Straight loaded. I am not playing with you guys. This one, I'm telling you, it's going to be off the chain. You will love it. Okay, let me grab some over here. If I won't have to go to the refrigerator and get some more. Just kind of like put that over there. Alright. Alright guys, we're going to just bake these on 350 for about 15 minutes. Okay? And then we'll top it off with some sour cream and some cilantro. See you guys in a minute. Well, let me show you guys how that looks up close. I didn't show you that, did I? So yeah, that's how it looks. Okay? Alright, let me go ahead and put these in the oven. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm done. There it is right there. Deep fried, loaded potato skin. From my home to your home. Let me let you see that. And I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And please do make these recipes. I'm trying to tell you, they taste good. If you don't believe it, make it. So anyway, say that to say this. Thank you all for watching. And please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And you already know. Hit that bell. Hit this bell. So you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. Much love, and I'm out. And I'm out.